Crazy.
All right, we're here live. We're getting us something to eat to cap off the day. Stop and got some barbecue. This is look at that. I got a sliced brisket. Looks pretty good.
It does.
We got Connor over here. Go ahead, Connor. Plug the website.
Hi.
www.regionalitservices.com. Plug the website.
Play on the website.
You see Connor not plugging the website. Just say it.
Regional
IT services.com. Can't y'all see how excited he is about the company? He really wants it to grow. All right, let's go around to John. regionalitservices.com.
Yeah,
Not to get on a date with him or throw you in the lake.
Oh yeah.
What is that?
I threw Josh in the lake. That's why he's not. That's why he's not plugging my domain. He's still mad. I told him when he gets to be the big guy, then he can throw people in the lake. All right, there goes Giles number 1 and Giles number 2. Well, actually, Giles number 2 and Giles number 3 over there. So say hey, what's up to them? You see he's stuffing his face, his favorite pastime. And go ahead, Riley, give a plug out to the site. Riley, plug the site. Regional IT services.com. Yeah. All right, and it's back to me, and I'm eating my food. I'm gonna see that. Got me a brisket sandwich. Look at that. Y'all see that? Y'all see that?
Right.
That's good.
Right. And you want part of that stuff on that?
Yeah.
Right.
What's that?
All right.
What is this?
Yum.
Okay.
You just want to try a taste of that. I'll put it all over.
Is this hot?
Yeah, here's the regular.
Do we have any forks?
Oh, this is hot.
Thanks for your kids.
No, that's, oh my goodness.
Sorry, what? What? Is that live? Is that live? Everybody getting that, right? So our guys, don't put it all over there.
Hey,
Yeah, this is too hot.
Carlos was doing this to the camera.
Everyone's body is being hot.
Una. I need a fork.
No, you're going to slop on my food. Get away.
I need a fork. So I have
Yeah,
a
I'll
fork.
go this. That other sauce, man. That other sauce way too
Right
hot.
where?
Right there, on the tray, fork.
We went fishing today. We did catch some fish, but nothing big enough to keep.
Hand me that fork.
So we threw them all back.
Guys, do not leave me reaching over like that. Knock everything off. It's about to get a little white.
No, I'll move
But
up.
it's kind of rough, so we're going to have to eat that.
Yeah, we got throwing all the fish back because none of them big enough. Put this over there. I need for y'all to go pay the website a visit. Also, if you're not following the Facebook page, go and follow the Facebook page under the same name, regionalitservices.com. You got that idea? Like Bodacious Barbecue, where we're at? They got a website. So you got that idea? Go ahead and patent it by getting your .com registered.
Or for a short link, you can go to eatmyboogers.com.
Hey, that's not registered. You can go and register that website. Yeah. Because Connor eats boogers.
Me too. I definitely do. My name's Chicken Bone.
Riley's not even the same.
Chicken Bone. Everybody want to look at this
It's
chicken?
not chicken, that's ribs.
Who cares?
If you call it chicken, when people see ribs,
He
they
wants
think you don't know.
to eat some ribs.
They always think you know your animal. Yeah, do not eat like that. Look at his face. Yeah. Look like that red, got that red skin to the south. Skin on it. You like that? What you do? Not a lot. Just so I want to see how it tastes. I want to see what it tastes like. That was too much. That much. I want to get full. That's
Probably will probably eat it.
No.
Well,
Yeah,
No.
I
too hot. Spicy.
You didn't put anything on it. Would you rather have some of my sandwich? That's pretty clear over here. With your ribs.
My holster broke, so y'all see where I'm holding my knife. Some people think I'm overcompensating, but this is just where I got my holster. Y'all make sure y'all visit the website and register your .coms. www.regionalitservices.com is the website. Professional technology, IT support. Be sure you got a domain .com, .net, .org. Get it registered on the website.
Also, don't forget to go to Nintendo.com so you can get all your knowledge about Kirby and Mario.
No, they don't care about Kirby. They just care about regional IT services.
You better go to Kirby. And just what? You better go to the Chasing Hedgehog.
Okay. If you care about
Finish
Kirby,
out.
You saw that right there. The white list, the white list. The red is very hot.
hashtag Kirby if you care about Kirby more than Disney
I can't remember what kind of things I
And
did.
go to my brother's channel.
Okay?
It is called Chasing Hedgehog.
When the red style pin,
No, forget him.
say red style pin.
Go to my website.
No, go to
It's not all about him.
I'm bored.
Ah.
It's all about him. It's not about him. He don't even know how to get food in his mouth. You know, listen to this guy.
That sounds better? Got better? Not too hot?
All right, people. Love, peace, and hair grease. Make sure you visit the website, www.regionalitservices.com.
Booger.
We've enjoyed our weekend, and we're wrapping it up.